Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zapier Slack notifications for operational alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Zapier website. Log in to your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the sign-up prompts. Once you are logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. This will take you to the Zap creation page. Now, choose your trigger app. For this guide, select the app that will generate your operational alerts. This could be any app you use, like Google Sheets or Trello. After selecting your trigger app, you'll need to set up the trigger event. Follow the prompts to connect your chosen app to Zapier. Make sure to test the trigger to ensure it works correctly. Once the trigger is set up and tested, click Continue. Next, you'll need to select the Action app. Search for and select Slack as your Action app. Choose the specific action you want to occur in Slack, like Send Channel Message. Click Continue. Connect Zapier to your Slack account if you haven't done so already. You may need to authorize Zapier to access your Slack workspace. After connecting Slack, set up the details for your Slack message. Choose the channel where you want the notifications to go. Type the message content that will be sent as a notification. You can personalize the message using data from your trigger app. Once everything is configured, click Continue to test the action. Zapier will ask if you want to send a test message to Slack. Check your Slack channel to confirm that the test message was received. If everything looks good, return to the Zapier interface. Now, give your Zap a name for easy identification. Finally, toggle the Zap on to start sending notifications. Congratulations, you've successfully set up Slack notifications for operational alerts using Zapier. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.